In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search Google Drive for movies effectively and efficiently. If you've ever found yourself sifting through countless files trying to locate that special movie, this guide is here to simplify that process for you. Google Drive can store a ton of different files, making it crucial to know how to refine your search for a more streamlined experience. Let's dive right in. First, we'll explore a method that relies on searching by video file type. This is a quick way to gather all video files in one place. Head to your Google Drive and locate the search bar at the top. In this bar, you'll want to type in type video. When you press enter, this search command prompts Google Drive to display all files identified as video types, such as .mp4, .mov, .avi, and more. This can be particularly useful when you're not sure about the file format of the movie you're searching for, as it covers a broad spectrum of common video formats. Now let's look at another method that offers a bit more control and customization, using the advanced search filter. Start by noticing the small icon at the end of your Google Drive search bar. This is the search options icon. Click it to bring up a menu with different criteria you can use to narrow your search result. From here you'll see a range of options, but let's focus on the type option today. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, select video. This tells Google Drive to specifically search for video files, but what if your search needs to be even more precise? Perhaps you're looking for a movie file you uploaded months ago, but can't remember the exact title. This is where keywords and dates become particularly helpful. Within the advanced search options, you'll find fields for adding keywords. This could be a part of the movie title, a description word, or any other text you recall being associated with the file. Additionally, you can specify a date or date range to further refine what files appear. This feature is incredibly useful if you know, for instance, that you uploaded the movie in the past year or in a specific month. Once you've set all your criteria, whether you're using video type keywords, specific dates, or a combination of all these factors, go ahead and click the search button. Google's powerful algorithms will now process your request and return all the files meeting your specified criteria. This method not only finds movies but also saves time and minimizes frustration by helping you zero in on exactly what you're looking for. By utilizing these two methods, searching by video file type and using the advanced search filter, you can make the most of Google Drive's search capabilities, ensuring that you spend more time enjoying your movies and less time hunting for them. Thank you for watching and happy searching.